Wabona ngwanola ba reng ke Gogo Maweni. Shem ngwanola. She's got a long road. Una le tsela e telele e tshwantsane a e tsamaye. Initially I was very impressed ka response ya hae to Gogo Skotini ya hore a nka se harabe, I won't do anything. Mara because of pressure ya dichomi tsa ditsotsi bo Musa Khawula le bo Inno Musa ba banyakang go ja a change the minds. Shula shala nwa ya di salon o ba isa di restauranting wa ba tshengela majwa khwaiwa kwa yana kwantsiwa di lipi tsa di Gucci. Like I was so sure she's like wa bana di chomi tsa o tshwana le ba banya bala ba babedi bale. Dangerous to the dangerous bale ba tlo unwa ba tlo uja ba fetsa bile ba o seba and then ba felletsa on top sell you to the highest bidder. And I'm sure ka rasetse this age yaka I've got massive experience ka di chomi massive ke le ka investigate wa ko mmereko ke sa itse. And still look at they didn't even tell me what I'm being investigated because of the investigation proved zero. But to think or a friend reported me for me to get fired. So I understand that some friends are dangerous. So nahana bare una le best friend bare ke Musa Khawula motho o bolela ditaba tsa batho wena tsa gawa ka se di bolele bya gore ke shore le mabane ba seno a tlhogana ye Musa Khawula le Inno bare mgani mpya ela se kobo sela wa molomo the very same things tsa batho ba di bolela ke tsona tse ne ba di bolela. And I was so sure right Gogo Maweni ka se responded to machila I should no mbale ba babedi bale ba tlo munwa ba tlo moja ha ba fetsa ba mo sebe ha ba mana oh my friend I love you ho sno jiga ba skose le molong moneng le motose le kan o palla le ke di surgery msana mubi.
Hello there guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. You guys, that TikToker had sent a very stern and strong warning to Gogo Maweni, warning her about her newfound friendship with Inno Musa and Musa Khawula, saying that she should be extra careful of those two because they came to her with an ulterior motive. From what we have seen so far on social media is that Gogo Maweni is a very giving person. The TikToker states that Musa and Inno Musa will milk Maweni dry and then go back and stab her in the back, you guys. She says that she knows people like Inno and Musa Khawula, they are not to be trusted. How can you trust someone like Musa Khawula and call them your friend? He will go behind your back and stab you in the back. Many people have said this and are still saying this, that friendship between the three will end in tears. Now there you have it, guys. Please do engage your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.